National Weather Service in Austin has issued a tornado warning for Austin, Texas.
This tornado is big.
At 7:45 p.m., National Weather Service had operated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado at 400 miles per hour.
Wow, that's a lot. Anyways, stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
We'll see you next time.